Well, let's get over to Dave because I know everyone's talking about the heat and so close to breaking that record right now.
We are close, 1 degree away downtown. We're 94 at City Park here, but at DIA we're at 95, and same thing here at CBS 4, 95. So 96 is the magic number. But take a look at that sky. Here's what's holding the heat up. We got a little cloud cover, a little bit of smoke, haziness over the city. Otherwise, we would have probably already broken the record high for today before the noon hour, but that's kind of slowing the heating down a little bit. With that added smoke we have out there, though, air quality is down in the dumper today, so it's unhealthy again for sensitive groups out there, and it includes all of the Front Range for this air quality alert until 4 p.m. this afternoon. We're asked to limit our driving if we can, whenever, to limit the ozone additive to the atmosphere. We've already got a lot out there. Temperatures right now, look at this. Greeley at 99, 98 in Fort Collins, 88 in Boulder, it's 98 in Colorado Springs, and 93 down in Pueblo. Everywhere you look, we got the heat. Even Aspen coming in at 86 degrees right now. Melinda Leach is one of our weather watchers northwest of Boulder, 82 degrees there. 10 degrees warmer in Battlement Mesa at 92. Weldon and Carol Schneider out there say they have a few clouds and a lot of haze from that Utah fire. Very dry out there. Here's the only saving grace, and this is what's slowing the heat down a little bit today. Added cloud cover here with moisture coming through, and about, just after 11 o'clock, we had one little thunderstorm pop up near Evergreen. Dry thunderstorm, one down near Colorado Springs, Pikes Peak area, and down south near Walsenburg as well. Not a lot of water with those, but we have just a smidge of a chance of getting some thunderstorms going. And the reason, high pressure rotating not only the heat, but a little bit of moisture right back into Colorado. So we're adding that to the mix today. So even with that, it's going to be hot today. Tomorrow now, this high kind of retrogrades back a little bit, a few miles back in northern Arizona. That'll open the door for slightly cooler air to start to nudge in by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, of down a few degrees on temperature. And then Friday, we might even stay in the 80s by that time. And then in the weekend, we back up into the low 90s again, but the triple-digit heat will be gone a little bit, at least for a while, starting tomorrow. So this afternoon, slight chance right along the I-25 corridor here up into the mountains and out over the eastern plains of seeing some thunderstorms. Nothing severe, not much rain expected, but it might create some wind and some cooling breezes, which would be nice. Highs today, triple-digit heat all over the east and the west, with 90s and 80s up in the mountains. So high today again. I'm going for 100 at DIA. The record, we may have already hit the record. We just popped the 96 downtown. We'll see what DIA says. And 101 probably in the city. 60s tonight, so another mild night. And then tomorrow, 98 for the high. Isolated storms late. 89 on Friday. That'll feel nice, and a better chance of scattered storms both Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Over the weekend, we'll be in the low 90s with a chance for those afternoon thunderstorms. So I'm going to run back to the weather office and see if we broke that record. We just may have while I was talking to you.
Sounds great. Looking forward to seeing if we did.
Okay.
Thanks, Dave. Well, residents of an East Denver neighborhood